Bitch, do it. You can do it. Just do it. So the curling iron that I'm using is just some like cheap ass curling one that I got from Walmart. I don't really like use heat on my hair at all, so this is like I think 20 bucks. But I don't know what to put it on because I don't want to like burn my hair off, but I think I'm gonna just stick at like 320 or maybe 300, maybe 340 the highest. I don't want to go any higher than that because my hair is fine, and I feel like, well, in my experience, having fine hair is, when you have fine hair, I feel like it's more prone to heat damage, which kind of sucks. But so I don't have a heat protectant, so the only thing that I have is like sheen spray. I have this avocado butter that I think I'm going to use as a heat protectant as well, but honestly, yeah, that's the only thing that I have for my hair, and I don't feel like going to the store to get anything to do this. So before we get started, I just want to say that I'm starting off on stretched hair. So my hair is not freshly washed. It's probably been in this like bun for like 3 or 4 days. So if you see some flakes, don't say nothing, okay? Because just know that I'm trying to wash my hair less. I wash my hair way too much throughout the week, and I feel like it's really messing up the health of my hair. So I'm trying to make this last a couple more days, so I'm gonna throw some wand curls in it. With that being said, my hair may look a little dirty, but like I said, I'm trying to stop washing it as much because my hair has been going through it. So yeah. So I'm actually really nervous to do this because I haven't put heat in my hair in like 2 or 3 years, I want to say. Like, it's been a long time since I put heat in my hair because like I already said, my hair is fine, so putting heat in my hair just kind of makes it even harder to manage. So that's why I've been avoiding heat for so long. But I don't know, I was like cleaning out the shelves in my bathroom and I saw the curling wand, and I'm like, I'm gonna just do it because why not? And I don't know if I want my curls to be like small or if I want them to be chunky. I don't know, we'll just see. I think I'm gonna probably take bigger sections because if I'm gonna sit here, if I'm wearing this for a couple extra days and then I'm gonna wash it, then I'm just going to do bigger sections because there's no point in doing really small sections and then washing it the next day. So I'm gonna start off with taking some of this avocado butter. I'm gonna put a link in the description to the exact one that I have because I feel like I don't hear a lot of people talk about avocado butter, and avocado butter on my hair works so good. So I'm taking the avocado butter, running it through my hair, and now I'm just gonna take my comb to just detangle it so it's easier to manage. And you always, when you're detangling your hair, always want to start off at the bottom while holding it like this. So you're gonna start like this, put your comb through the end, and just work out all those kinks, and then work your way up because it's a lot easier to manage your hair when you detangle it like that, and you have less breakage too, because if you were to just put the comb up here and then start just combing it through, you're literally ripping through your hair, and we don't want that, sis. We do not want that. So spray that on first. God, I'm so scared to do this. Bitch, do it. You can do it. Just do it. I guess I'm gonna count to 5. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi. Okay, she's cute. Doesn't smell burnt, so that's a plus. Okay, so this is how much I got done so far. I think it looks really, really cute. The curls are so cute. One thing I am going to do is I'm going to wipe off my curling wand like ever so often, just so I can get the oil off of it, because it's starting to smoke and I don't want it to like cook onto the curling wand, because I feel like that's what gives your hair that burnt smell. So as you are doing your hair, whether it's with the flat iron, curling wand, crimper, or whatever, just make sure that you are wiping off the oil in between. It's going to prevent that nasty burnt smell, and nobody want to walk around smelling burnt. Nobody want to walk around smelling burnt. That's embarrassing. As I'm getting to like the front of my head and like towards my edges, I'm doing the pieces a little bit smaller. So as I am working my way to the edges of my hair, I'm kind of just holding it back like this and then just kind of flattening it. But I'm not pressing on it too hard because I don't want it to actually touch my scalp, because it's like 300 degrees and that shit's gonna hurt. So now I am just going to work my way all the way up until the very top, and then I will come back and show you guys how I do this part. So I'm almost done with my hair. I think the curls look so cute, you know, got this little Shirley Temple thing going on. So as I'm working my way to these last 3 or 4 pieces, for me, I think it looks better if I put the wand in front and curl it this way rather than like this. So for this row and these last 2 pieces right here, I'm curling it frontward. I just think that it looks better, and I feel like it adds a little bit more volume in the front of my hair so it doesn't look so flat. Yeah, I feel like I did make this side a little bit curlier than this side because there are a couple pieces in here that are too big, but I'm not gonna go back and redo it because I don't think it's that big of a deal to me. So, and plus I don't want to put extra heat on my hair if I don't have to. So now that I have finished both sides of my hair, I'm just gonna take my Got2b and very lightly mist it. I don't want to make it super sticky because I still have to go in and separate the curls, but I'm only doing enough just to make sure that they don't fall. But yeah, so this is what the curls look like. It's actually kind of crazy because I honestly forgot that my hair can like look like this. Like, this is nuts. I have not put heat on my hair like this in a long time, so this is crazy to me. But yeah, so I'm gonna let this hairspray just sit in my hair for about like 10 minutes, and I'm also just like letting my camera charge. But I'm actually pretty thirsty, so I think I'm just gonna go make myself a drink really quick, and then we will come back and separate these curls. y'all like spicy drinks or just like a nice latte or espresso, I highly suggest a dirty chai. Shit is complete fire. So now I'm going to go in and separate these curls. I'm so excited for this because it already looks like so cute. Like, you know, it's just a little and so cute and curly. So I'm actually really excited to go ahead and separate these. But since I put the hairspray on my hair, I only put a little bit, so it's not like super sticky. And just to prevent any more frizz, I'm going to just put some oil on my hands. So I'm using the Hair Affinity Nourishing Oil. I am just going to put this in the palm of my hands, rub my hands together, and then start separating the curls. First, I'm just gonna smooth it all out on my hair. So this is actually the step that can make or break your style, and if you separate it too much, it becomes this like frizzy mess. So what I like to do when I'm separating my hair is I like to just run my hands through it just to kind of see where it separates on its own. So if I go like this, I hope you can see it, but when I run my hands through it, I can kind of see this little hole right here, right? So then I'm just going to pull those pieces apart because that's where it's separating naturally, and I'm going to leave it just like that. I don't think I'm going to separate it anymore because since my hair is more prone to frizziness, I'm just going to leave the chunks to be pretty big because I'm pretty sure this will get puffier as the week goes on, and I want it to kind of last a long time as well. So make sure that you are separating where it just naturally falls. So pretty. Look at these curls. It's gorgeous. Oh my god. I'm gonna go find my pick and then I'm going to pick the roots to make it bigger. So okay, I can't find my pick, so I'm just gonna use a wide tooth comb, go in and start picking these roots to make my hair look really cute and fluffy. I'm not gonna pick it anymore because my hair loves to like suck up moisture. So if I were to pick it anymore and it got a little bit frizzy, this will probably only last me like 2 days. So I like to leave my curls in place and then just let it grow on its own. I'm just gonna leave it like this. And got a little bit of stuff in my hair, but you know what, it's okay because ain't nobody gonna see that part of my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know down below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my website, which is right in this corner right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me questions down below. And I will see you in my next video.